Morning students, welcome back to our class that is retail marketing. Today we are going to learn our second topic, that is visual merchandising. Uh, what do you mean by visual merchandising? Merchandising is nothing but the retailer, we can say, in simple and common parlance. Visualizing, visual merchandising is a marketing practice that uses floor plans, color, lighting, displays, technology, and other elements to attract customer attention towards its store or outlet or company. Now, if you see here, visual merchandising is presenting or displaying products in a way that makes them visually appealing and desirable. That means, in common parlance, if I want to say here that visual merchandising is describing whatever the that means it is a product, that means it is presenting the display product in a way that makes them visually appealing and desirable to purchase the products with technology, with lighting, color, displays, elements, attraction, attention towards our product or towards the retailer or the merchandise. So that activities are known as visualized merchandising or the process. Now, things like themed window displays, dress mannequins, the arrangements of running shoes on a wall, and fresh fruits organized by color are all examples of visualized merchandising. Now, the question is once again, what does it work? How does it work? What is the main focus of it? What is the main learning from this part? So, the visual merchandising is the art of presentation which put the merchandise in focus. It educates the customer and creates desire to buy, and it is a presentation of a store, and the main objective of this merchandise is the store sale promotion plan. That means the promotion is going to be takes place. Now, a team involves the senior management like architects, merchandising managers, buyers, the visual merchandising directors, industrial designers, and staff is needed in that. So all these things are involving in that, and they are working together. Now, here if you see, like it's a display from which part which thing is there, who is a salesman, everything by standing at this corner, it is desirable and it is giving attraction and attention towards a particular product or thing. Now, what is the process or what is the purpose of visualizing? That means a visual merchandising. To make merchandising desirable, means it should be desirable. That means it is main concept to earn good profit, sales promotions, and to get a good advertisement, and to create the attention and desirable things in the minds of the customer, to make merchandise easy to locate in the store, and to introduce and explain new products, to promote store image, to capture customers into the store, and to show merchandise soft. So these are the things where it is taking place properly. Now, if you see here, merchandise techniques, what are the things are there? Uh, just have that means the importance of merchandise here. It also talks about few points we'll discuss. If you see here in this picture, like visualize merchandising is one of the significant feature of the store that differentiate it from a normal distribution center. So it is considered to be an important communication tool for both high price and low price retail market. It represents the brand image and brand position of the product in the store. It acts as a silent salesperson and provides indirect customer support to make effective customer at the store. It is considered to be the more effective communication tool than advertising and others. An effective visualized merchandising enhance both short-term and long-term sales. Now, merchandise presentation techniques. The first one is visualize merchandising. So as we know that it refers to the ways in which the store represents its merchandise by drawing the attention of the potential customer. Vertical merchandising. Uh, it is one of the most important technique that is used by the merchandise presentation, and it, in these techniques walls and high gondolas are used for presenting the merchandise vertically. The customers look for the best available price of the products when they read a newspaper from left to right, going down each column and from top to bottom. Like that, there is a tonnage merchandising, and it is a technique in which huge quantities of merchandise are displayed together is called tonnage merchandising technique. The customer relate tonnage with low price. The retailers use tonnage and merchandising for improving and strengthening the price image of the store. Then frontal presentation. In frontal presentation, what is happening? It is very difficult for a retailer to build effective displays as well as to store item efficiently at the same time. So this problem can be solved with the help of frontal presentation technique. And for example, like the book manufacturers make significant efforts for creating appealing or noticeable covers. So these things will take place the frontal presentation, style presentation, what sort of style of the product should be there, what idea orientation program should be there, presentation should be there, live setting, promotional areas. All these things are coming here in this part. Now, atmospheric. What do you mean by atmospheric? That means atmospheric is a store environment in which is designed with the help of visual communications, lighting, colors, music, and sound for encouraging the perceptual and emotional responses of the customers, which in turn influences the buying behavior of the customer. So several retailers have found that the development of atmospheric, which matches with the other aspects of the store designs and merchandise, helps in attaining several benefits. Next, elements of atmosphere. What are the main elements? Here, the main elements are lightning. How the lightning is going to attract the customers? They highlight the merchandise name, logo, brand, XYZ. They will create the uh, mood creation. They'll create mood, and it is a down play features. Okay, down play features will be there, and mood creation will be there, which is going to bring. These are the tools, or these are the elements of atmosphere. Then color. What sort of color should be added? What sort of music or sound should be there? What sort of scent will be there? Like the bakers, people will they used to. If I take an example of Karachi bakery, if you go near Muslim Jai market, it is going to attract our Banjara Hills. These baker people will smell. That means it will attract the customers' attention towards its warmness. Now, role. What is the role of atmospheric retailing? See, retail atmospheric refers to store factors such as display design and fixtures, flooring, smell, store lighting and temperature, music, sound, or wall coverings and other elements of store's ambience which can be controlled by a retailer to influence the customer's buying mood. Not only that, overall I want to say here that is nothing but it shows, that means it is creating the part where it should have to work and takes place. Like if I take an example of this, I'm sorry, yes, this is the main feature. So what is happening? The atmospheric values like color, lighting, music, crowding, design and layout, uh, all factory factors, that means textiles factors, tactile factors, all these things are taking place with the help of the consumer's cognitive process and store image and customer value. So the customer value can be gone towards the purchase intentions or patronage intentions or shopping satisfaction or positive word of mouth at least. So these things will come from the customer side for the product. So atmosphere, we are just creating the atmosphere with the help of visual merchandising. So visual merchandising means overall I want to say that creating the atmosphere in the minds of the customer or bringing the attention or at least purchasing attention should be there or intention to purchase in future or patronage will be there, then at least they'll have a shopping satisfaction or at last that will be a positive word of mouth if they are not purchasing. They can work like an advertisement, oral advertisement or mode to mode advertisement. Now, what are the tools are there which are used by uh, our visualize merchandisers that products, brand, color, size, quality or price point. Products characteristics, lifestyle, age group, combinations of what elements. Apart from that, colors and textures, pros and fixtures, windows, lightning, and mannequins are there, which is taking place. If you see here, in this how the design is taking place, it's totally showing. Like in this, we are using like colors and textures are there. What sort of color increases brand recognize by up to 80%, or color improves relationship as much as 40%. We have to learn pros and fixtures. Pros and fixtures are essential elements used in creating a display in the store. The most commonly used fixtures include slat wall, grid wall, etc. and store windows, lightning, mannequins. All these things are over there for maintaining. You can see here also. So it is visualized, showing everything. What are the things are there for ladies corners. So I hope you students understand the concept. Please mention your roll numbers